Scenario description: At 1200, the vessel is at the vicinity of Lagunoy Gulf by visual observation. Using the magnetic compass, the OOW, or officer on watch, observed Sialak Point and Agoho Point in transit which bore 345 degrees per standard compass. In the initial conditions of the ship is a ship course at 335 degrees PEC with a speed of 16 knots. So first, we need to update the variation, and the current variation in here is 1 degrees 15 minutes west 2013 at 2 minutes west. So we need the current year now is 2021 minus the 2013 which is on the chart, and that's it 8 minutes west times the 2 minutes west equals the first we need to update the current variation. So the variation in here is 1 degrees 15 minutes west 2013 by 2 minutes west. So the current year now is 2021. 2021 minus the year on the chart, which is 2013, and that is 8 years. 8 years times the 2 minutes west. 2 minutes west. And that is 16 minutes west plus the 1 degree and 15 minutes west. That is 1 degree 31 minutes west. Or or 2 minutes or 2 degrees west. That is our variation. So the ship course of the ship is 335 degrees PEC, but the ship observed two objects which bore 345 degrees PEC. Now we are going to find the true course and the true bearing and use the compass correction. So the compass is 345 degrees and the deviation is from the 335 degrees ship course. The deviation of 330 degrees is 3 degrees west, and the deviation of 340 degrees was 4 degrees west, and between them is 3.5 degrees west. Now, to find the true course, this is the 3.5 degrees west. Now, to find the true course, we are going to subtract the 345 degrees to 3.5 degrees west. The answer is 341.5 degrees, which is our magnetic. Then our variation is 2. This is our variation from we solved earlier. So the current variation is 2 degrees west. Then subtract the the magnetic to variation, which is 339.5 degrees west, which is the true bearing. Then so our magnetic is 341.5 degrees, 341.5, and to get the compass error, is the division, and to get the compass error is the division of the compass error is 3.5, because 3.5 west plus 2 degrees west. So this is the deviation, the 3.5 degrees west, and our variation is 2 degrees west. Then equals to 5.5 or 5 degrees west. So the true course is 339.5 degrees west of the true bearing of the two observed objects. Now, I'm going to plot in the chart the true bearing and the true course of the ship in the Lagonoy Gulf. So the ship is at the Lagonoy Gulf, maybe here or right here. So the ship course is 335 degrees PC. Based on the OOW, or the officer on watch, the ship observed the two observed objects which bore 3 or 5 degrees PC. The 345 degrees plus 335 degrees equals 680, minus 360 equals to 320 degrees, which is our ship course. So we are now going to plot our ship course. Now, so observed, our true bearing is 339.5 degrees west, which is the result of the two observed objects. So 339.5 degrees, 339, 339.5 degrees. Ah. So our ship position is right here, in here, on the Lagonoy Gulf. So this is the 339.5 degrees, and the ship course, the true course is 320 degrees. So our ship is right here. Thank you.